हाय नमस्कार दिस इज प्राण एठारे 75तम स्वाधीनता दिवस अवसर में स्कूल पिला सहित एकत्रित होइछन्। Students are waiting for the chief guest and the chief guest Mrs. Kalavati Thakur, Assistant Commander, today's chief guest of the institution, St. Francis English Medium School. People are waiting for the chief guest. There are two hosts here, Saurabh Digal and Anvesha Mishra. Students are going to welcome the chief guest. Students are waiting for the chief guest on holding their flags. Students and their parents are coming here. The more than students are waiting for their chief guest.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Two hosts here, Saurabh Digal and Anvesha Mishra.
Hello. Hello.
Assistant Commander, एठी चीफ गेस्ट ही आछंती इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल रो स्टूडेंट माने एठी अपेक्षा करिसंती समान को स्वागत करिया पई। वर्षा पई
Give me blood, I will give you freedom.
सुभाष चंद्र बोस कही मते रक्त दियो मु तुमको स्वाधीनता देवी.
Respected chief guest of the day, principal, fathers, dignitaries, teachers, parents, and all my loving friends. A very good morning to all.
Today is a red letter day in the history of India. India achieved her independence on this day from the British rule after centuries of slavery. So let us celebrate this great event on this day. We engraved history, made a make of our independence of our nation, breathed a sign of relief. I am extremely honored to stand before you all on this special occasion on which we celebrate India's 76th Independence Day.
Hospitality is an echo of a human heart. It creates positive attitudes towards life and opens joyful attitudes towards everything. On this occasion, I also extend a warm welcome our chief guest, Madam Kodavati Thakur, SCP.
On this occasion, I also welcome all the gathering, principal, fathers, dignitaries, teachers, parents, and all my loving friends.
Flag is a symbol of our national pride and values. It doesn't fly because of wind. It flies because of every breath and dying soldiers.
Now I request our chief guest, Madam Kodavati Thakur, SCP, to unfold the national flag. I request principal to accompany the chief guest. I also request all of you to stand in attention in great respect and reward.
डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर की जय, डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर की जय, डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर की जय। अगस्त 15 अगस्त 15 अगस्त 15। I would like to call Beakley to say pledge. Let us say pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it, rich and very achieved. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all others and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
So now I request all the students and parents, please go to the up veranda. We will sit for some time. We have a small cultural program. So I request ma'am, please do come. ସମସ୍ତେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଉପରକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ, ସମସ୍ତେ ଚପଲ ତଳେ ରଖିକି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ, ସମସ୍ତେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ।
এটি করবো
We should feel proud to be a part of an independent nation that has freedom to speak, to live a life in our own way. We do not have to follow anybody's labels.
Now I call upon Kamal Gangadharai to speak about our independence. Respected Chief Guest of the day, correspondent, principal, teachers, parents, and all my loving friends. Good morning to all. At first, I would like to wish all a very happy Independence Day. Today, our mind is without fear and our hands are held high up in the sky. Because this day marks the Independence Day. From the British rule 15th August 1947, after lot of hardship and sacrifice of the great Indian freedom fighters. So India celebrates this great day with an absolute patriotic spirit. Friends, our great Indian freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Vallabhbhai Patel, Tilak, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Gandhiji was a great Indian figure who gave India as well as all great lesson in non-violence. Let us take a moment to acknowledge the effort taken by our freedom fighters to free India from a British rule. Dear friends, liberation is a blessing. It is a blessing our freedom fighters gave us in exchange for their blood, sweat, toil, sacrifice. Since its independence, India as a democratic country has achieved many milestones. It is a country which is a home for people with numerous caste and religion. Let us all work hard together and growth and the development of our motherland and make every possible to make India strong. I am proud to be Indian. I love my country very much. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, dear Kamal Bahadur, for your thoughts and ideas. Let us give him a big hand.